Hi Ali, how are you?
Yes, Shadat, I am very well. What about you?
Yes, I'm fine. So Ali, could you
Hmm.
please tell me something about yourself?
Well, Shadat, being in this profession of human resource management since last more than 8 years, I have a very diversified working experience with the international companies that also located in Pakistan. I have started my career with Deloitte, that is one of the globally recognized consultancy service all over the world, and today I think it is at number one. So after having 3 years of experience in the human resource management with Deloitte, I've moved forward to the banking industry and joined one of the most prestigious bank of Pakistan, Habi Metro Bank Position, which has also having its services internationally. Then after some years of experience, like almost more than 2.5 years of experience with the Habi Metro Bank, I moved to the Bank Alpha Law. And now currently I am working in the capacity of human resource business partner with the National Bank of Pakistan. That is one of the nation's bank of Pakistan. Well, having these experience, my expertise are in the recruitment and selection, performance management, team building, talent management, manpower planning, employee engagement, relationship management. These are the core skills that I have. Academically, I've done my master's in human resource management with one of the top university in Pakistan. So that is my brief introduction. Now it's up to you.
Okay,
Over
okay.
to you.
Thank
Yeah,
you
yeah.
so much, Ali, for your nice introduction. So, as you were saying that you have been in this profession for last 8 years, right?
From the last 8 years.
Okay, okay. So, I believe that you have witnessed a lot of changes over the last 8 years because when you started your career in HR, the scenario and everything was not like similar like today, right? So, what kind of changes have you noticed in from last 8 years to now?
Well, as you know, there are very traditional practices in the human resource management, which are using in the which we still using in the underdeveloping countries. So Pakistan is one of the developing countries, and because of some lack of technologies that we have, we are still in the of the operations of the traditional human resource management tools. But now, as we are moving ahead, so there are a lot of changes that we are taking, like the technological changes, like adopting the new human resource softwares that now we are using to ease the operations. So these are the basic things that how we can compare the traditional human resource practices with the modern practices. So we are developing our skills, knowledge by adopting, by doing the certifications in HR and adopting the new learning skills. So in this way, how we are also seeking that how the world applying the new technologies and new logics to the human resource. So that is the one way to adopt those changes and then apply to the current practices. So this is the one way uh, we can improve the human resource practices in the current organizations. And there are a lot of challenges we can see in the traditional practices.
Okay, so what kind of events or trends you are anticipating that will change human resource in the next 5 years?
Hmm. Actually, we can see that obviously the things are changing, and firms also now going internationally, putting their steps across the borders also. So now we are seeking how to train the talents, how to make inclusions and diversity in the available resources, so they can work globally with the international teams to adopt the best practices that we need in the current organizations. So this is the one thing that we can do it through the diversity and inclusions, by training the employees with the international certifications. And these are some tips that we can use to train the employees after like 5 to 10 years they can work efficiently and effectively.
Okay, so have you ever heard about green HR?
Green HR.
Yes.
mm, not not yet.
Okay,
Maybe I read it somewhere, but at this point of time I cannot recognize it.
okay, no problem. So as we are talking, as you're saying that you are doing manpower planning, employee engagement. So can you please tell me how do you conduct manpower plan? Have you ever uh, done manpower planning by yourself?
Right. See, there are two types of hirings usually done by the companies, right? When the companies are expanding their business, so obviously they have their strategic plan to expand their man employees also. So when there's an expansion in business, company start analysis that how much manpower they required to conduct the future business. And then the second, when the employee resigns or when the once employee separated from the company, so at that point we need an employee. So the manpower is planning basically the event which occurs after the expansion of business. So this is one of the strategy that at the time of expansion we need to analysis the situation that how much resources you require to conduct the business in future.
Okay,
Yes, please. Yeah, yeah.
okay. So as a HR professional, uh, how do you deal with challenges within a team you are leading? I believe you are leading some of your team members, right? You are
Yes, yes, yes.
supervising. So how do you deal?
Obviously. Yes, there are multiple. Yes, you can say I'm as a manager. I believe that there sometimes you need to give autonomy to your colleagues also, because the new talent have always the new ideas, I believe. So once I never want to be open-minded discussions. I always align my team for the brainstorming and uh, and make them flexible to give me the ideas and to implement their experiments and to use their new skills, new ideas for any work which they have. So when as the new talent have new ideas, so we can see that yes, the things are improving also. So my belief is that rather than giving my skills and share my own ideas only with them. I also want to adopt their ideas for the better team performing. To believe that team building is more efficiently than uh, other than only my ideas. So that is the
Okay.
thing.
Have you ever handled conflicts within your team that you are leading? Like, have you ever faced that the team members have any issues and they're coming to you, complaining you? So, have you ever faced this kind of conflicting situation ever?
Yes, obviously, yeah, every team member sometimes have these issues when we are working in large organizations. Some members have like the competency issues. Some have the financial issues. Some members may have the personal issues. So the doors are always open to listen every team member. So whenever there is anything where any grievances comes from our team members, so I listen to them, and I would like to uh, I would like to help them out, whether their personal issues, their professional issues. So whether are there any financial issues, I would like to help them out in any scenario they bring to me.
Hello, Ali.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, okay, I understand. So as a HR manager, how do you motivate the other employees of your organization?
See, the things are very competitive. So as a manager of my employees, I always try to them in their try to develop their skills, to set their KPIs, key performance indicators, for and to recognize their annual performance and train them according to their jobs, send them for the specialized trainings that need to perform jobs. So these are the things that and obviously when at the time when there's like any financial issues, so I would like to recognize that there is no inequality between the employees also. If one is working on the higher side of the salary, so if the other one having the same skills, so I would like to uh, uh, negotiate their salaries on the same scale. So these are the some things that keep employees motivated.
Okay, okay. So what do you want to see yourself in next 5 years?
Yes, obviously, I'm also seeking some international exposure. So I believe it may be the one. This may be the one best opportunity for me to work with the companies in Singapore, and obviously, may I also have a diversified experience over there because working with the people of different culture, and this may help me out to learn new skills that in future also help my own country to bring those skills. So these are the things that I would like to first up. I would like to add up a new job with the new peoples, and that can be like if I can get any job internationally by some company. So at that point, that is my objective.
Okay, Ali, thank you so much for joining this interview session. So As you know, this
Hmm.
very first round of this interview process. So once you are shortlisted in this round, then you will be contacted for the second round. Okay. So I wish you
Ah,
for the second round.
mhm.
Okay, Ali.
Right, right, right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shazad. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
You are welcome. You are welcome, Ali. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.